me I have this 2014 Chevy Cruze, and I'm going to be showing you how to change your cabin air filter. Now the cabin air filter is commonly overlooked, forgotten about, but it's a very important part of your car and, well, needs to be changed regularly. But in this case, when we change it, we're changing it to this K&N. It's reversible, reusable, better environment because you can reuse it. And it's pretty much buy it once. The oil and cleaner lasts quite a while if you do it right. And it's part number VF2040. I'll put that down in the description below. But this is what we're going to be changing with. I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So we're going to start here at the glove box. You're pretty much going to want to remove everything out of here to make it easier. And what we got is two little tabs on each side of the glove box to remove before we can go any further. You can see there will be one of these on each side. Now, if you don't have fingernails or can't really get up under there, let's take this little flathead. And wiggle it loose just like that. And we'll do the same on this other side here. Right now, we got this little cable here, so we're going to release slack by pulling it up just a little bit to where we can grab it right here and let it out. Now, if you can see, this tab slid in here, tab there, another one right there. We just have to pop that tab to the side where we can get this out. You see I just got the flathead under there to twist that one. There's a light over here. And now there it is. Alright, now you damaged the old one taking it out. Let's be honest, not that big a deal. We're not going to reuse this one anyway. Try not to let any of the debris fall anywhere. That way there's less to clean up. As you can see, this one's pretty filthy. Alright, now with the old one out, we'll slide the new K&N in. And you got this little tab here. It's going to make it a lot easier to get out in the future to clean. So we'll slide that back in. Pop that back in with the tabs. Make sure the tabs lock. Then, since we have the K&N, we're going to throw their little decal on there, just in case someone gets a hold of this car is taken elsewhere for maintenance, and they try to do this. We'll put this on there. Just right there. And we'll come back over here. Grab our little lead right here. Pull it out a little bit so I can bring the glove box back up. Slide that through there. A little more difficult with one hand, but there it is. Just like that. Now we'll install little clips back into place. Like that. It helps with the glove box slightly closed. And there we go. Alright, now there it is, changed out. It's pretty quick, simple, and really easy to do yourself. And as you can see, well, that's why a lot of people just let it keep going from that. So, should get more air from the air conditioning and heat system. So, it'll be more comfortable of a ride. Probably breathe better too, so no reason not to do this every once in a while. If you prefer the paper, make sure you change it out every so often. And if you don't want to just keep buying these, throwing them away, K&N is probably the best option to go with. Simple, easy to clean. You can probably clean it every time you change your oil, or if you have an aftermarket air filter, every time you clean it, clean the cabin air filter as well. Don't use the same oil, because K&N actually has a different oil for the cabin air filter than they do their high flow air filters for the engine. Now I hope you enjoyed this video and the information proved helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.